Welcome to our TRIOS wireless video series. While watching this video, you will learn the routine use of TRIOS wireless. To start working with the scanner, simply press the button to turn it on. The status light will turn blue. After around 15 seconds, the scanner will connect. The status light turns green and the battery level shows up in the upper right corner of the screen. Now the scanner is heating up and is ready for scanning. We advise to always keep the batteries in the charger. This way you will always have a set of fresh batteries. When preparing for a new patient, insert the battery into the scanner, but do not yet turn it on to preserve the battery. Before scanning, start the scanner on the trigger button to allow heating up and thereby avoid condensation. While the scanner is idle, for example connected but not scanning, it will keep the tip warm and consume the battery. If you disconnect the scanner, it will automatically switch off after 10 minutes. If the power level of the battery drops to a very low level, you will receive warning messages at the left side of the screen. In case the battery is drained completely, the scanner will switch off and the software starts searching for available scanners. When you run out of battery, simply change to a fresh battery. Remember to insert the empty battery into the charger to make sure you always have a set of fresh batteries. Then press the scanner button and wait for the software to reconnect. Then continue scanning. If you would like to use your TRIOS wireless scanner in another location, this may be completed in one of two ways. If you are moving the entire system, including the PC, no further action is required. In case you have one PC in each treatment room, you only need to move the scanner. To do so, go to the Settings page and click Disconnect from Scanner. Or you can shut down the TRIOS software, as this will automatically disconnect the scanner. The scanner is now available for other PCs to connect to. In the new treatment room, you need to pair the scanner with the software if it has not been done before. For more information on how to pair, watch the TRIOS wireless setting up hardware and connection video. In case the PC and the scanner have been paired previously, it will automatically connect to the scanner within 10 to 15 seconds. Thank you for watching.